Good day. In this presentation, I will evaluate my FMA1 output using the evaluation framework that I developed for social marketing and social mobilization programs. My FMA1 focused on the Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino program or PORPIS as an example of a social marketing and social mobilization program. In this presentation, I will apply my framework to assess the strengths and limitations of my own work. The program that I chose to evaluate is the Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino program or PORPIS. In my FMA1, I presented it as a program that addresses poverty-related concerns, especially in education, health, and family development. My presentation included the social problem addressed by the program, the target audience, social marketing activities, social mobilization activities, and other important information. These parts now serve as the basis of my self-evaluation. I evaluated my FMA1 using this 6-component evaluation framework that I previously developed. The 6 components are the relevance to the social problem, clarity of purpose and objectives, audience and stakeholder fit, appropriateness of strategies and activities, evidence of implementation and results, and ethics and sustainability. And I also used a 4-point rating scale. 4 means very strong, 3 means strong, 2 means fair, and 1 means weak. This allows me to assess my work in a structured and practical way. So let's start. For the components 1 and 2, first component, the relevance to the social problem, I gave my FMA1 a rating of 4 or very strong. I gave this rating because the PORPIS clearly addresses poverty and its effect on education, health, and family welfare. The social issue is clear, socially important, and highly relevant to development concerns. For the second component, clarity of purpose and objectives, I gave a rating of 3 or strong. The purpose of the program was clear in my presentation, particularly its role in supporting poor households. However, I believe that presentation could have been improved by stating the specific behavioral concerns or specific behavioral objectives more explicitly, such as the school attendance, health compliance, and participation in the family development sessions. For the third component, audience and stakeholder fit, I rated my FMA1 as 4 or very strong. This is because the target audience, particularly poor households and their family members, was clearly identified. The presentation also showed the role of relevant stakeholders such as the government agencies, schools, and health providers. For the fourth component, appropriateness of strategies and activities, I gave rating of 3 or strong because the presentation showed strategies and activities that were generally appropriate, especially in distinguishing social marketing activities from social mobilization activities. However, I believe that the analysis could still be improved by explaining more clearly why these strategies are effective from social marketing perspective, especially in relation to barriers, benefits, and of course, the motivation. For the fifth component, evidence of implementation and results, I rated my 1 as 3 or strong because the presentation showed that the program has implementation mechanisms and ongoing activities. However, it focused more on describing the program than on presenting concrete evidence of results. It would have been stronger if I had included indicators, statistics, or clearer examples of outcomes. For the sixth component, ethics and sustainability, I also gave a rating of 3 or strong, and because I rated it this way, because the program is intended to support vulnerable households and has institutional continuity as a government program. However, my presentation could have been improved by discussing ethical issues, inclusion concerns, and sustainability sustainability challenges more critically, instead of focusing only on the positive side. Based on the 6 components of my framework, my FMA1 received 2 ratings of very strong and 4 ratings of strong. The strongest aspects of my presentation were its relevance to the social problem and its audience and stakeholder fit. The areas that still need improvement are the clarity of behavioral objectives, deeper strategic analysis, and stronger evidence of results, and also more critical discussion of ethics and sustainability. Overall, I rated my FMA 1 as strong or 3. And in conclusion, I consider my FMA 1 to be strong because it is clear, relevant, and well organized. It was able to present PORPIS as a meaningful example of the social marketing and social mobilization program. At the same time, this self-evaluation helped me identify areas for improvement. In particular, I can improve my work by making the behavioral focus more explicit, strengthening the analysis of strategies, presenting stronger evidence of results, and discussing ethics and sustainability more critically. Overall, this evaluation framework helped me assess my own work in a more structured and reflective way. That's all for my evaluation of the PORPIS program for the social marketing plan and mobilization plan. Thank you so much and have a good day.